Emergency funds, your financial safety net. An emergency fund is a crucial component of your financial health. It's a dedicated savings account that serves as a buffer against unexpected expenses, preventing you from going into debt or depleting your savings. Why is an emergency fund so important? Life is full of surprises. Medical emergencies, job loss, car repairs, and natural disasters can all lead to significant expenses. Borrowing money can lead to a cycle of debt that's difficult to break. An emergency fund helps you avoid this by providing a cash cushion. Knowing you have a financial safety net can reduce stress and anxiety. How much should you save? A common recommendation is to aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This amount can vary depending on your individual circumstances, such as your income stability and the potential risks in your life. Tips for building an emergency fund. Start small. Even if you can only save a little at a time, every dollar counts. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. Reduce unnecessary expenses. Find ways to cut back on spending, such as eating out less or cancelling unused subscriptions. Consider a high-yield savings account. These accounts offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, helping your money grow faster. When should you tap into your emergency fund? Your emergency fund is meant to be a last resort. Use it only for true emergencies, such as medical bills, job loss, or natural disasters. Avoid using it for non-essential expenses like vacations or new gadgets. Conclusion: an emergency fund is a vital financial tool that can protect you from unexpected life events. By setting aside money for emergencies, you can avoid debt and maintain your financial stability. Start building your emergency fund today and give yourself the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're prepared for whatever life throws your way.